My leg no go ever touch Benin City again. I travel go greet my in-law. Thank God say me don't come back to Europe. I don't come back finally. I travel go greet my in-law. I reach there. As I reach there, hotel where they go lodge me for night. Now so those reception guests go gang up with bad boys. May they come kidnap me for that night.
Hello my people, this video wanna just watch, so I'll put am for now. Wanna watch am, wanna listen to this man. This man say he go Benin, he go see Inlaw, he go visit them as a na abroad na in dey stay. So as he reach Nigeria, he need to see Inlaw for Benin. Na Benin person na he marry, so they come book one hotel for this man. The hotel where they book for now, he say na upper na the hotel dey, and the hotel then they call her Etiosa Hotel. I will put the video now, still listening to wetin he talk and everything wey he talk there. So he say as he dey inside this hotel, he say the hotel not safe. He say as he dey inside this hotel now, so all those guests wey be say if they come, they bring food, they come, all those people where they work for there. He say then they work with all those people where be say then they kidnap. He say not be small thing. He say he run comot for there. He said because thank God say he get phone number of Ogbalegbe. Say some people will be say then they abroad, then they get all this phone number of people for Nigeria, all this Ogbalegbe, in case of a case city. So he go get somebody where he go call. He said so now he can call this Ogbalegbe where get number. Say see hotel where he dey. Make they call rescue am for there because he know they safe. You get the kind thing where be say if they suffer inside there. The way till they see something. May I put the video one that listen to wetin he talk, my people. But I not forget to help me to love and like and share. Now true say Benin dey hot, especially that upper. Now understand. Many people wey be say that they come out for abroad, they go Nigeria. They know they go that side. Then inside GRA now they stay. So not be everywhere for Benin. Now it be like that, my brother. And maybe na the hotel where they go put you. Like I said, they know they for go put you for GRA area where be say you not get all this gbos gbas nyama nyama, because really we don't see and say gbos gbas dey for upper where nowadays. All right, my people, bye bye for now. Leave your comments, okay? Because Edo State they okay, and now only upper sometimes you get the way take dey for that side. Now bye bye for now. I'm gonna listen to this my video.
My leg no go ever touch Benin City again. I travel go greet my in-law. Thank God say me don't come back to Europe. I don't come back finally. I travel go greet my in-law. I reach there. As I reach there, hotel where they go lodge me for night. Now so those reception guests go gang up with bad boys. May they come kidnap me for that night. As they don't come, God, they don't knock for the door. Oh God, now God just help me. I don't feel like for you. Now so I carry phone, call police. That's why I go make it. They get people be say, say there is no police where for that Niger. Now so police come rescue me for that place. God go bless those police. God go bless them where. That midnight now I run for that place. Bad boys now I run where those guests. They can't guess where be say they employ for your hotel. Because all those guys they work with bad boys. To God be the glory. Police are there rescue me come for that place. Go another hotel for that night. I need to thank God for my life. If not, for not they give this testimony. All those Benin people now bad people and court people and they just be life. They live life for courts and to kidnap and live bad life, criminal life. Me, I don't ever touch my life for that place. If I want to see my in-law, I go invite them. When they come my state. If they come my state, we go agree for that side. But that Benin City, my leg no go that place. If you see hotel where they go lodge me, that hotel they call it na Etiosa Hotel. Now they go lodge me for that place. My to God, for night. If you hear that name, Etiosa Hotel for Benin City, no just near that place. Now criminal hotel be that one. They thief people. They kidnap people for that place. Very bad place. Now God I hear me for that place. That place they call it Etiosa Hotel. They see that place they call them upper. That place is na criminals and bad people, courtists that don't do that place. So be careful the kind of hotel where they lodge for Benin City. Thank God say my don't end like that. Today I'm gonna give testimony like this, guys. Be careful for Benin City. Me I don't ever go that place again. Now the hotel be this one. Now criminals for that place. See those two guys. Then gang up with the bad boys. See me they come kidnap me for night. Now God and just save me, guys. Share this video.